Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to enable continuous shooting mode on your Nikon D7100. Let's jump right in. Make sure your Nikon D7100 is switched on. Ensure your camera is set to one of the modes that allow continuous shooting. These typically include P, Program Auto, S, Shutter Priority Auto, A, Aperture Priority Auto, or M, Manual. Press the Release Mode dial lock release, which is located right next to the mode dial, and rotate the Release Mode dial to select one of the continuous shooting options. You can select from CH, Continuous High Speed, CL, Continuous Low Speed, or COO, Quiet Continuous Shooting. CH allows for faster shooting speeds, which is great for capturing fast action. Opt for Continuous Autofocus mode to get as sharp photos as possible. Take a few test shots to see how the camera handles movement in continuous shooting mode. Adjust your settings as needed based on the results. And that's all there is to setting up continuous shooting mode on your Nikon D7100. This setting is incredibly useful for capturing dynamic scenes and action shots without missing a beat.